Hey guys, how's it going? Oop, I have that thing hanging in the way. I went to Michael's, Ulta, and Target. So I'm going to show you what I got. Small hauls on everything. I'll show you Target first. I actually got some food items because I'm going to make a keto pizza dip for our Halloween party in a couple of weeks. And so I had to get a couple of things that I forgot when I went to Walmart. But I found this. Ooh! My phone's acting crazy. So I found this pumpkin spice cream cheese spread. Oh my god, it has carbs in it, 8 carbs, but if I go light with it, I don't know what I'm going to use it for. I might just eat a little bit. But you know, most of the pumpkin spice stuff is stuff with sugar in it, which I'm not eating. So this has how many sugars? 7 grams, so it's kind of high, but it's better than candy. I got this. This is part of the ingredients for the recipe, and then I got some Italian sausage, and I got the recipe off of Keto Connect, and it looks really good. It's cream cheese, sour cream, mozzarella cheese, spaghetti sauce, low carb spaghetti sauce, and spices and sausage. It looks really good. So I'm going to make that for the party. And then I found these. Mike gives these out to the kids in our neighborhood. Not necessarily these, but he has some light up bracelets that he gives to the kids in the neighborhood. So I got these for him to pass out. And then you guys, at this Target is the one on Silverado Ranch in Eastern. What I found, I got the fall chipboard stickers. There's 200 in here. In the Halloween one, you only got 194. So these are really nice and thick. And in my other video talking about the Halloween set, I was watching it, I was thinking, what a dummy. I was wondering if they had adhesive on them. Well, they're stickers, of course they do. But when I used the Halloween ones on my altered box, cigar box, I did glue them down. I did use glue in addition to the stick on these. And this whole tub is only $5. So for 200 chipboard stickers, it's only $5. So, and then they have a little bear down there. They have glitter, foil, all sorts of fun things. So, and I got that. So that was my Target haul. Not a whole lot. I didn't buy a lot anywhere. So, okay, here's Target. And we'll do Ulta, because Ulta's really boring. I took back the that NYX foundation, that Can't Stop, Won't Stop, that faded off my face and bunched all up under here by the end of the day. Terrible. Terrible, terrible foundation, at least for me. So I got these. It was buy one, get one 50% off, and I had a 20% off coupon, but of course it didn't apply to this. I'm not, they're getting as bad as Michael's. Although this time I didn't have any trouble with Michael's. So they were $8.99 a can, and with the discount, I got them for $6.73, which is about Walmart's price, I think. And here they don't have them locked up, but in Walmart they do. So I only had to pay $1.27 because I returned that foundation. God, that was bad. Okay, let's go to Michael's. This was an impulse purchase because it was sitting there at the checkout, and it's so cute. Camp fur. And Roxy, if you're watching this, I thought about you, because I know how much you love the camping and the woodland critters. And I had it 20% off your entire purchase and a 40% off one item. Do these repeat? Yeah. Okay. And you guys, look what I found. I didn't know that they sold these still. And there's 4 in this one. It was $5.99 and it was 50% off, so I got it for $3. And there are 4 coffins in here. I kind of wish I would have gone back and gotten another one, but that's all right. Maybe I'll, oh, my watercolors are falling out. So then the last thing I got, this is Yasutomo, but these pearlescent watercolors. I thought these would be so much fun. I don't know if they'll work on the rocks or not. Look at that. Yeah. I don't know if they'll work on the rocks or not, but and there isn't a whole lot in here. But it was, I think, $9.99, and with the coupon, I got 40% off. So I'd like to get the expensive ones that Dee Dee Willingham shows. Okay, so the coffin, ooh, because I had 20% off, it was 50% off, and then I got an additional 20% off. So the coffins were $2.39. Yeah, I should have gotten more. And the sticker book was 80 cents, and the watercolors were $5.99. And then the last thing I got was Recollections Halloween, the Moonlit Manor paper stack. These papers are perfect for my coffins. Oh my god. I can't really show all of them here, I don't think, but we'll just kind of flip through. Oh, and they're double-sided. I forgot to tell you they're double-sided. They're just... Anyway, those are the designs. Not easy to do a flip through in your car. So, yeah. If Michael's lines went so long, I would go back and get another coffin set, but I have plenty. I still have a couple of other sets left, so 6. So I have, I think, 10 or 11 coffins, so that should last me for a while. But it's gorgeous here. Mike has had his guys' weekend where his friends from high school and college come in. They do it every 18 months. And today, right now, it's 72 degrees. It's sunny. There's a little chill in the air, and it really is starting to feel like fall here. Finally, we're out of the 100+ degree weather. So, yeah. All right, guys, I will just see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Love you. Bye.